The chairman House of Representatives Committee on Budget and Appropriation, Muktar Betara Aliyu, whose only desire is service to his people, has so far executed hundreds of projects in his constituency that cut across provision of solar-powered boreholes, thousands of solar-powered streetlights, health, education, recreation and other critical infrastructure, in addition to empowerment and humanitarian services. Massive roads and drainages construction projects have also been executed in the 4 local council areas by Muktar Betara Aliyu, with that of Biu Town, so many that the entire landscape has been transformed, while new road projects have also commenced with the objectives of ensuring accessibility, enhancing socio-economic lives and preventing flood as well as erosion. These gigantic and resounding achievements earned the National Assembly member an honor by the youths of Biu under the IPC Transformation Team, an event attended by the Emir of Biu, Mai Mustafa Umar Mustafa, traditional title holders, serving and former council chairmen, commanding officers of Nigerian Army 231 and 331 battalions in Biu, as well as large number of Betara well-wishers from across the constituency. Borno State Deputy Governor Umar Usman Kadafur bagged an award titled Ambassador of Change, while the Biu local government chairman was awarded with an honor as architect of modern development, all coming from the progressive IPC transformation team.
Thank you and congratulations, sir.
Ina sake godiya kuma wa duka supporters na His Excellency Deputy Governor of Borno State. Ina godiya wa supporters na Honorable Muktar Betara Aliyu. Wannan abun da muka yi ba don komai bane, mun yi ne don mu nuna tafiyar mun nan muna tafiya layi daya. Mu da muke karkashin su bayan su kuma muna so mu yi kokoyo da irin tafiyar da suka yi da kuma neman ci gaban al'ummarmu na biyu na wannan constituency na Southern Borno da Borno gabaki daya.
Representative of the event organizing committee said their choice of the recipients was as a result of their proven integrity and exceptional service to their community and humanity as a whole.
We are not here for a political rally. Instead, we are here to rejoice as a community that our representatives, wherever they are doing excellently well.
Guest speaker at the occasion, Provost College of Education Wakabiu, Dr. Gambo Medugu Saljaba, said the will of progress and development in any society cannot be complete without the youths.
Whenever we are talking of national development, we must take youth into consideration because we say they live for symbiotic association. And what do we mean by that? We simply means where two people live for the mutual benefit of each other.
The award was received on behalf of the federal lawmaker by his representative, former chairman Kwayakusal local government, Salihu Adamuyanga.
Mutanen biyu mu gode wa Allah ya ba mu yaran mu guda biyu da Muktar Betara da Deputy Governor Karasar. Wa'annan mutanen from the one and son relationship da yake tsakanin su. Saboda haka wannan mutane da suka shirya wannan abu din sun shirya domin su nuna mana a haɗa kai a daina munafurci da yaudarar juna.
The event featured the launching of pictorial magazine on the project archive of Muktar Betara Aliyu and that of Governor Babagana Umar Zulum administration, driven by the charismatic and vibrant Deputy Governor Umar Usman Kadafur, in the words of the IPC transformation team.
Allah ya saka musu da alheri, Allah ya karɓa mu lafiya, Allah ya kara mana dukkan ayyukan.
Some of the key projects executed by the award recipients were showcased in projector demonstration, plus some entertainment to spice up the event.